I'm part of the homework team in Bangalore, and we're here at Lakshmi's place. I'm going to talk about what the concerns are with the bathroom and how we're going to clean it and transform it into a nice spanking clean toilet. Yeah. So the primary concern in this bathroom is the stainless steel. If you come a little closer, you'll find that there's a lot of hard water staining that's happened at the shower handle, the outlet tap, even the drain has a lot of hard water staining. If you look at the other, where the glass partition is, you'll find that there's a lot of fungus that is accumulated. Even the stainless steel brackets seem to be accumulating with hard water stains. This is what we want to address. In the shower head, over a period of time, accumulates a lot of hard water, and we're going to address this as well. Exhaust fan, the place where you keep your soap and your other bathroom items, that invariably has a lot of hard water staining. We're going to be addressing that. The grill, the glass, everything, a lot of dust accumulated over a period of time shall be cleaned by us. Typically what happens in most bathing areas is that the lower part, at least the shoulder below area of the bathroom tiles, get a lot of muck accumulated, which typically does not go with normal scrubbing. So you need a little effort in scrubbing it, and we use Tasky grade or Johnson Deversey Tasky grade chemicals, which are typically used in hotels. For harder stains, there's a lot more work that goes into it, but rest assured, we do not use any chemical which is very, very abrasive and that could result in damage to the surface of the tiles or the floor. So it's a very safe and rigorous process for cleaning. If you look at the WC as well, you'll find that typically the WC would have a lot of staining, again, where the water comes in. So here you would find that there is a brown stain around the the end of the WC. That will be addressed. So would all your the upper side, the covers, everything would be addressed, including the now in the bathroom, getting the bathroom clean. We're now going to very shortly attend to the stainless steel part of the fixtures, and we're going to be using the Tasky D7, which is used for stainless steel. We'll be applying that all over, letting it set for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then rub it down to bring it to shine. Right now the floor hasn't been cleaned. Right now we cleaned the tiles, which is how we moved from top to down. So the tiles from on the walls have been cleaned, and now we're moving down to the stainless steel and then followed by the floor. We will show you an update shortly.